Good morning, my dear students. I'm happy to meet you all once again for a video presentation like this. In this particular video presentation, we'll discuss some more problems on irrational numbers meant for class 9 of CBSE. I'm planning to add videos for all chapters of class 9 of CBSE. Those who want to have automatic notification about the new videos being uploaded, please subscribe by clicking the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. Now, whenever I'm given, let us say, 1 by root a minus b, what I will do is root a minus root b or whatever it may be. Okay, I'll just multiply and divide by root a plus root b, root a minus root b into root a plus root b here. Therefore, this reduced to root a plus root b divided by, this will become root a whole square minus root b the whole square, which is root a plus root b divided by a minus b. This kind of representation is called, we call it as rationalizing the denominator. Let me repeat. I am given 1 by root a minus root b. Multiply and divide by root a plus root b on both numerator and denominator, and apply a plus b into a minus b in the denominator. Now for root a plus root b divided by, it will become, in the denominator, let me apply a plus b into a minus b formula. Root a whole square minus root b whole square becomes a minus b. I am able to rationalize the denominator. I am able to bring the denominator as a rational number. Okay, and for such problems we'll discuss. This is a general possibility which I gave you. If I am given 1 by root a plus root b, multiply and divide by root a minus root b. If I am given 1 by root a minus root b, multiply and divide by, 1 by root a minus root b, multiply by root a plus root b. That is the application. Okay, simplify by rationalizing the denominator. Simplify by rationalizing the denominator. Okay, 1 upon 2 plus root 3. Just listen carefully. 1 upon 2 plus root 3. I'll just multiply and divide by 2 minus root 3. 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. If there is plus sign in between the two numbers, multiply and divide by minus sign in between the terms. If there is minus sign, multiply and divide by plus in between the two terms. Okay. Therefore, this will become 2 minus root 3 divided by, apply a plus b into a minus b formula, which is reduced to 2 square minus root 3 the whole square. 2 square minus root 3 the whole square. Since a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. You can easily even check also. A square minus ab plus ab will get cancelled. A square minus b square. Instead of a, I have 2. Instead of b, I have root 3. Therefore, this is 2 minus root 3 divided by 4 minus 3, which is 2 minus root 3. If particular value, some value for root 3 is given, you can even substitute that as maybe 1.732 something like that, I think. If it is given, you can substitute and simplify, or you can leave it as it is. Let me repeat. 1 by 2 plus root 3. 1 by 2 plus root 3 is the given sum. Don't start with the simplification immediately. Write the given one always. Multiply and divide by 2 minus root 3. For 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Which is 2 minus root 3 divided by, which becomes 2 square minus root 3 the whole square. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Don't by heart it is a formula. I can even simplify here and check. A square minus ab plus ab gets cancelled, minus b square. Okay. Now for instead of a I have 2, instead of b I have root 3. 2 square is 4, root 3 whole square is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Therefore it gets reduced to 2 minus root 3. If you know the value of root 3 given in the question, you can simplify by substituting. Or you can just leave it as it is. Simplify. Okay, anyway, let me say it. Rationalizing is understood anyway. 5 by root 3 minus root 5, which is equal to, anyway, 5 into root 3 plus root 5 divided by root 3 minus root 5 into root 3 plus root 5. Therefore, 5 into root 3 plus root 5 divided by, this will be root 3 whole square minus root 5 the whole square. Therefore, this will be is equal to 5 into root 3 plus root 5 divided by 3 minus 5. This is anyway minus 5 into root 3 plus root 5 whole by 2. There is a negative sign in the denominator, which can be even taken to the numerator ultimately. because a by minus b is the same as minus a by b is the same as minus of a by b. Either way you can write a by minus b, which can be written as minus a by b, can be written as minus a by b. Everything will imply the same. Let me repeat. 5 divided by root 3 minus root 5. That's a question given to you. Multiply divided by root 3 plus root 5. Now for 5 into root 3 plus root 5 divided by root 3 whole square minus root 5 whole square. This is because of the formula a plus b into a minus b. Now root 3 whole square is 3, root 5 whole square is 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2, is minus 5. Minus taken to the numerator. Therefore minus 5 into root 3 plus root 5. Okay, divided by 2. Because just recall this rule. A by minus b is same as minus a by b is the same as minus of a by b. Everything is the same. The whole thing. If you are given some specific values for root 3, root 5, etc., you can substitute and then simplify. You can substitute and simplify. Okay. Are you able to follow? I think it is not difficult to follow. It is as simple as any other problem. Okay. Next, simplify. Okay, which is given by 1 upon, doesn't matter. Okay, 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2. 7 plus 3 root 2. Answer 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2 is 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 7 plus 3 root 2 into 7 minus 3 root 2. 7 plus 3 root 2 into 7 minus 3 root 2, which is 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 7 square minus 3 root 2 the whole square, which is anyway 7 minus 3 root 2, 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 49 minus 18, which is 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 31. This will get reduced to 31. If you are given some particular value for root 2, you can substitute and simplify. Let me repeat. 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2. Multiply and divide by 7 minus 3 root 2. 7 minus 3 root 2 by 7 plus 3 root 2, 7 minus 3 root 2. So 7 minus 3 root 2 by, here apply a plus b into a minus a square minus b square. 7 square minus 3 root 2 the whole square. 7 minus 3 root 2 by 49 minus 9 2s are 18. 49 minus 18 is 31. Therefore 7 minus 3 root 2 by 31 will be the final answer. That will be the final answer. Okay, I think it is clear to everybody. Okay, nothing very new over there. Nothing new over there. Okay. Okay, let me just see one more problem. Let me try to do one more problem. Okay, simplify. 3 divided by 5 minus 2 root 2. 5 minus 2 root 2. This is 3 into 5 plus 2 root 2 into 5 minus 2 root 2 into 5 plus 2 root 2, which is 3 into 5 plus 2 root 2 divided by, this is 5 square minus 2 root 2 the whole square, which is 3 into 5 plus 2 root 2 divided by 25 minus 4 2s are 8, which is 3 into 5 plus 2 root 2 divided by 17. Let me just check once again. 3 divided by 5 minus 2 root 2 multiplied by 5 plus 2 root 2. Denominator becomes 5 square minus 2 root 2 the whole square. 5 square is 25. 2 square is 4, root 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. After 25 minus 8 becomes 17. Nothing gets cancelled. If you are given a specific value for root 2, you can simplify. Otherwise, you can leave it as it is. Okay, the rest we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you students for patient watching. A small correction. In the simplification of 1 by 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. This is 2 minus root 3 by 2 square minus root 3 the whole square. Therefore, this is reduced to 4 minus 3, which is 2 minus root 3. Only in this particular case, by mistake, I put the bracket outside. 2 square minus root 3 the whole square. This much it was written. Okay. I repeat once again. In the simplification of 1 by 2 plus root 3, multiply root by 2 minus root 3. Here 2 square minus root 3 the whole square. The bracket has to be here. By mistake, I put the bracket here. And there is a small correction. See the correction, and then the bracket here makes the whole quantity wrong. Okay, now for bracket should be only over here. Anyway, final answer is correct. Instead of putting the bracket here, I put the bracket here earlier. Okay, one of the simplifications earlier. Okay, see the correction and then see the correction, and then. Thank you, students. Sorry for the inconvenience.